Databases and SQL, a complete 4-week course taught entirely by AI. 4 weeks, 7 topics a week, from your first query to real database design. Every lecture adapts to you. Read a quick skim, the full standard version, or a deep dive under the hood. Practice with scenario-based homework and timed exams, written fresh for every attempt. Stuck? An AI tutor sits on every lecture, ready to work through the problem with you. Adaptive practice targets your weak spots, while analytics track your mastery week by week. Start learning today at databases101.xyz.